In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to get new Instagram logo. Let's get started. Instagram introduced its redesigned text-only Wordmark logo August 13, 2026, marking the first major update to the app's top branding in about a decade. Launch your App Store or Play Store. Then search for Instagram and check whether an update button is available. Tap update and wait for the latest version to install. Once the update is complete, open Instagram again and check the top of the app for the new wordmark design. If you don't see the new Instagram wordmark immediately, major Instagram design updates can be rolled out gradually, so the new branding may not appear on every account at the same time. You may need to wait a few days or even longer before the update reaches your account. You can also try completely closing Instagram and reopening it after updating the app. If you are on Android, clearing the Instagram app cache may also help refresh the app. Keep in mind that there is not a separate setting or button that lets you manually activate the new wordmark. If your Instagram app is updated but the new logo has not appeared yet, you will most likely need to wait for Instagram to enable the redesign on your account. And that's how you can get the new Instagram wordmark logo. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.